In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the quantity selector from product pages when using the Shopify Dawn theme. This is a simple adjustment, but it can make your product pages look cleaner and more streamlined. Let's dive in and walk through this step-by-step process to achieve just that. First things first, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the left-hand menu and find the option labeled Online Store. By clicking on this option, you'll gain access to all the features related to the design and setup of your storefront. It's essential to access this area because it gives you control over your theme's layout and design elements. Now that you're in the online store section, look for the themes option that should appear as part of the sub-menu. Under the themes area, you will find your active theme displayed. You need to click on the customize button associated with the Dawn theme. This customize option allows you to make visual changes without touching the code. A perfect choice for this task since we want to keep things as straightforward as possible. Once you've entered the theme customization section, you'll see a preview of your online store with several customization options on the left. From here, it's time to navigate to the product pages where the quantity selector resides. Look for the homepage options in this menu and click on it. Don't worry, we're not going to make changes to the homepage itself. Instead, this simply helps us move toward the right section of our store. In the left side menu, search for an option called Products. Clicking on this will allow you to customize various aspects of how your products are displayed, a key area for tweaking our page setting. We are narrowing it down further now, so go ahead and click on Default Product. This opens up the specific settings and layout features for individual product pages within your theme. Now that you are focused on the product page settings, you should be able to spot the quantity selector. It will typically be near the Add to Cart button within your page's layout preview. To remove the quantity selector, simply locate the small eye icon associated with it and click on it. This eye icon is a universal symbol for toggling visibility throughout many web interfaces, so don't be alarmed if it's not immediately obvious. With the quantity selector hidden, the final touch is to ensure your changes are saved. Navigate to the top right corner and simply click on the Save button. This crucial step prevents all your hard work from being lost. And there you have it, you've successfully removed the quantity selector from your Shopify Dawn theme product pages, giving them a tidier appearance. Thank you for following along in this tutorial, and I hope it helps you enhance your store's user experience.